Dear students, good afternoon. Let us see some of the Hexaware questions. The respective salaries of A and B are in the ratio 8:7. If the salary of B is increased by 20% and the salary of A is increased by 21%, the new ratios is 96 is the answer. So first A and B are there. Their salaries are in the ratio 8:7. Salary of A is increased by 21%. Salary of B is increased by 20%. The new salary ratio is 96 is to 77. Now, without knowing what is the A salary, now without knowing the actual salary before, this is only the ratio between two salaries. Without knowing the salary of A or without knowing the salary of B, we cannot tell what is the salary of A because he is not mentioned before increase in the ratio or after increase. If we give suppose after increase of this 21%, A salary is 5 lakhs or 4 lakhs or 40,000 or something like that, then we can tell the answer. But he has not given at the beginning, he has not given at the end. So finally, without mentioning any salary, the one ratio changes to a new ratio. Okay, by just increasing, we cannot tell the salary, students. So directly we can go for can't find. Can't find. Let us say this. What will come in the series? What will come in the series? N, L, M, H of G, P and O, E, C, D and question mark. They are like, I'll write here L, M, N, F, G, H, M, N, O, P, C, D, E like this. So there is one order here, but dear students, there is no relationship between L and F and N and C. We are not getting any type of relationship between first one M and G and O and D. That's why, dear students, we are only finding the same type of series L, M, N. If anything is there, F, G, H. Okay, let us do the solution part now. U, B, W, X like this. T, U, B. So T, U, B, it is the same as what is there in the questions. Okay, X, Y, Z. Z, A, B. Okay, B, U, T. So dear students, answer is T, U, B. Answer is T, U, B. Okay, let us see one more question. There are some numbers given. It's a big number. 3, 5, 6, 4, 2, 8, 1, 3, 5, 8, 7, 4, 2, 6, 3, 8, 5, 7, 4, 1, 7, 8, 3, 4, 2, 7, 4 like this. How many 4s are there? We'll go just for 4s now. How many 4s are there? This is a 4. This is a 4. And this is a 4. And this is a 4. This is a 4. How many 4s are there which are not preceded by 7? So 4 must be there, 7 must not be there. Which are not preceded. Preceded means before. Okay, followed means after. Not preceded by 7 but followed by 2. There must be 2. But we should not get 742. We can get any other number. 7 must not be there. So 642, okay. 742. Not possible because 7 must not be there. Okay. This is 741. Not possible. Okay. How many 4s are there which are not but follow? This is 1. 342 is okay. So answer is 2. There are 2 where they are not preceded by 7 but followed by 2. Let us say one more question. Now let us say one more question. During the morning assembly in a school, students stand in playground in a fixed pattern of rows. You know, dear students, these are rows, these are rows, these are columns. So now students are standing, okay, in terms of rows. Rows. Now each row has students of only one particular class. So suppose if I take this is class 10, class 5, class 6, class 7 like this. We have only particular class. Okay, now if you read this thing, students are facing only one major problem. It is taking 4 to 5 minutes to read all these things. But if you glance it very fast, what is the actual question they are asking? If you try to identify that, we can just crack it in just a minute. Let us see. There are 4 more rows of class 10 than there of class 5. We know that there is class 5, class 10. We have to write this, there is no other way. The number of rows of class 6, we have class 6. The number of students or rows of class 6 are 1 less than that of class 5. One of the class has maximum number of rows, that is there are 7 rows of one particular class. One of the class has 7 rows. There are 2 rows of class 5. Class 5 are done. The number of rows of class 8, okay, is 2 more than that of class 5. Now I have 4 classes here. Now let us read the question. What is the question now? The number of rows of class 9. One more statement is there. Class 9. Class 7. All the classes are there. That is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now let us see here. How many rows are there in class 10? We are interested in class 10 number of rows. We are interested in class 10 number of rows. So let us say this when there are 4 more rows of class 10 than class 5. There are 4 rows more of class 10 than of class 5. Let us immediately go to class 5. Where is the class 5? This is. There are 2 rows of class 5. So class 5, 2 rows. Then class 10, there are 4 more rows when compared to class 5. So 2 plus 4, 6 rows. That is class 10. How many rows are there in class 10? That's all is the question, dear students. We are not interested in remaining stuff. We are not interested in remaining stuff. So answer directly is 6. See how simple is that. So what is the question? What do we want? We have to graph. Everything comes only by practice, dear students. You keep practicing, you will understand this clearly. No need of reading completely and writing all these things because it's talking about class 10. Directly class 10 is saying there are 4 more rows when compared to class 5. Class 5 is how much? 2 rows. Then class 10 will be 2 plus 4, 6. That's all. Okay. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video with some of the Hexaware questions.